When it comes to city streets, prevention matters. A small crack today can turn into a much bigger problem tomorrow. That's why the Tacoma Streets Initiative wasn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about making smarter investments now, so Tacoma streets work better for everyone over time. By sealing cracks, resurfacing pavement, and preserving streets, the city can avoid far more costly repairs later. Every dollar invested in preservation today helps extend the life of the road and reduce long-term costs.
Preventative maintenance project is about 1/3 the cost of rehabilitation or reconstruction. And that's really where the value is to the citizens of Tacoma, because it allows us to put out more projects throughout the city in all of the neighborhoods for everyone to enjoy.
This approach keeps streets in better condition longer, reduces disruptions for residents, and makes every Tacoma Streets Initiative dollar go further. In addition to road preservation, the Tacoma Streets Initiative also invested in major capital projects that rebuilt and modernized vital corridors. These larger projects were delivered in close coordination with key stakeholders, including the Port of Tacoma. Capital investments like the Taylorway Rehabilitation and the Port of Tacoma Road Rehabilitation projects were designed to support freight movement through Tacoma. These projects included rehabilitating 2.5 miles of Taylorway, replacing asphalt with heavy-haul concrete designed for high-volume truck traffic, adding new sidewalks, upgraded curb ramps, and utility improvements along key industrial corridors, reconstructing and widening Port of Tacoma Road from I-5 to improve freight access and traffic flow, enhancing safety with new traffic signals, upgraded pedestrian infrastructure, and improved street lighting. Together, these upgrades improve reliability for freight travel, reduce delays, and enhance access to port terminals and regional transportation networks to serve both residents and industry. Investing in streets also means investing in people. Projects funded through the Tacoma Streets Initiative support local contractors and create opportunities for businesses to grow.
These projects have helped Axum General Construction because the contracts are written intentionally for small business, minority businesses. They're written for apprenticeships and people who want on-the-job training. Through working with the City of Tacoma, we've grown to double our workforce, and we've been able to hire residents of City of Tacoma.
From paving and concrete work to accessibility upgrades, these projects help strengthen the local workforce while making it easier for customers to reach businesses and keep local corridors active and connected. Over the past 10 years, the Tacoma Streets Initiative delivered real, measurable results across the city. 95 miles of streets have been paved, and another 245 miles have been preserved and maintained. The program supported 77 capital projects and leveraged $144 million in grant funding, maximizing local investment. Together, these investments have made Tacoma's streets safer, more connected, and more reliable. But the work isn't finished. Streets continue to age, and Tacoma continues to grow. The next Streets Levy is an opportunity to build on this progress, expanding investments in safety, accessibility, and stronger connections between neighborhoods. By investing in prevention, coordinating with key stakeholders, and supporting local jobs, Tacoma is building streets designed to last.